How to create QR code in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Canva application. After that, tap on the menu bar from your top left corner. Now, tap on Apps. Go to All Apps. Wait for the search bar to load. And once it is loaded, what you will have to do is search for QR code generator. Simply select or use any QR code generator. After that, go to Use in New Design. Select Custom Size. And then you'll get an option of entering the URL. And there, all you have to do is enter your URL. And after that, a QR code will be automatically generated. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.